Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Honor Magic 6 Lite and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, in the first step we must open Settings application where you click on Mobile Networks, now Data Usage, and their last function More Data Settings. There we can set mobile data limits. In the first step we can set monthly data limits in gigabyte, megabyte. It can be custom what you want, maybe 15 gigabytes we set. And second function, start data, when our data usage size start, maybe first day of each month. And there we can set usage reminders when we get our usage reminder, maybe when we use 18%, it is 14 gigabytes in our case, and there we can set our daily data remember maybe it's 10%, 5 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.